As we start the larger one, we need to think about the position of the cup and make sure our leaves aren't going to interfere with this corner. So I'm going to leave about 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimetre, because that's about the width of the cup when I'm going to glue it on. If only I could cook, I'd be able to make like a nice meringue shape. I've just found these to use as my props. Perfect. See, nothing goes to waste. This is the bottom of the saucer that we used to make some of these petals. Absolutely perfect. So I'm going to put the biggest ones down the bottom here. So this one is going to be about there. And we'll just place them to initially, because then we can squish them into the shape we want once all the pieces are in their spot. So once again, this would look absolutely lovely with just the purple one on the inside, but we're going for something a little extra here. So the mother flower, if you like. Oh, I need another one behind that. I'm going to put 3 of these little guys in the middle because they're cute. One on the other side. And now I'm going to add the larger pieces of the feathers. So I'm going to put some longer ones around the outside because it's going to go higgledy-piggledy as you squash everything in, but we can finish it off once we've got all the bits in that we think we might need. Now I want another row, of course, that's going to go in between the others. And just for extra interest, whoops, I'm going to pop a couple of these little green bits that we chopped off as we went around the edge. Just a couple, 3 in opposite directions. Don't want to overdo it. And you can see how just that little extra spark of colour just adds something to it. So now we can press everything where we need it to be for its final arrangement. Twist any that you need to twist. Put these guys back in, prop them up, and then leave it to dry.